Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to see how to play Minecraft with friends without signing in. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you just don't want to sign in with your account and then play with your friends, but still it can be done without signing in. So for that, what we need to do is at first click on the option play. Here we need to go and create new world, or you can also choose the correct ones, it's up to you. And then here what we need to do is scroll down, and then we need to select multiplayer, and then we need to make sure that all the options are on, and especially visible to LAN players, that is on, because that is exactly what we are going to play with, as LAN means local area network. So make sure it's on so that it's connected with the same network and same Wi-Fi. And this is exactly how you can play without signing in to your account with your friends. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.